Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Welcome to your own mathematics channel asm.geniusjunction. I'm Abhishek Sharma sir, your mathematics mentor. So today in A level mathematics 9709 unit number 1, this is your video number 3 on the topic algebra. In this video we are going to cover the questions based on factor theorem as well as on remainder theorem. This is your video number 3, so I suggest if you have not watched video number 1 and video number 2, then you must go through with both of them first so that you can understand the concept discussed in this particular video. So without wasting time, let's quickly move on to the types of the questions which comes from factor theorem and remainder theorem. So this is your question number 14 in continuation with video number 1 and 2. This question says that using factor theorem, show that x minus 3 is a factor of this complete polynomial. Now, how we are going to prove that x minus 3 is a factor of this complete polynomial? What I'm going to do is my divisor is x minus 3 and I will put it equals to 0. So I get x is equals to 3. Now we calculate polynomial with x is equals to 3. So we will substitute x is equals to 3 in the complete polynomial and we are going to get 3 raised to the power 3 time added to 2 times 3 raised to the power 2 minus 16 times 3 added to 3. On solving this, I am going to get 3 times 3 raised to the power 3 gives me 27. This is 3 times 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18 minus 16 times 3 is 48 plus 3, right? So let's quickly solve this and figure out what we are going to get. So this becomes 27 plus 3, that gives you 30. 30 and 18 gives you 48. So 48 minus 48 gives you 0. So hence my conclusion is going to be, since remainder is 0, therefore divisor by which we were dividing the polynomial, divisor x minus 3 is a factor of p of x, hence shown. So the question was asking to show that, and we have shown that the given expression x minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial x cube plus 2x square minus 16x plus 3. Let's move on to next level of question from this particular topic. Yes, so this is our question number. Yes, so this is our question number 15, and this question has, यहाँ से देखेंगे आप, है ना? Let's move on to next question of this particular topic. This is a question number 15. This question says that you are given a polynomial and given that 3x square plus 5x minus 2 is a factor of this complete expression. Question is saying that the given expression is a factor of it. Find the values of a and b. So since the given polynomial x square 3x square plus 5x minus 2, since it is already a factor of this, obviously when I will factorize this star polynomial, its factor are be the zeros of the given polynomial. So let's quickly factorize first of all the divisor. Let's move on with the solution part of it. Our divisor is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So we will factorize this. So factorizing, so when I will factorize this, so factorizing divisor. When I will factorize the divisor, I am going to use middle term splitting method. So I need a number whose product is minus 6x square and the sum is going to give me plus 5x. So my numbers are going to be plus 6x minus x minus 2. Yes, so now I will be taking the common elements from the first two terms. It is going to be x plus 2, then minus sign is as it is. This is going to give me again x plus 2. Now I will take out x plus 2 common from both of them, and I am getting 3x minus 1. Okay, now the question is saying that x plus 2 and 3x minus 1 are the factors of the given polynomial. So if I so so x plus 2 and 3x minus 1 are the factors of the given polynomial, are the factors of p of x equals to 3x cube plus 17x square plus ax plus b. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we will use remainder theorem, because remainder is going to be 0 when the polynomial is divided by its factors. So we will continue. I will put x is equals to minus 2 in the complete expression, and I will put it equals to 0. This is going to give me the equation number 1. Then in a similar way, I will put x is equals to 1 over 3 in the polynomial and put it equals to 0, and this is going to give me my equation number 2. So now we are having two factors of p of x. So p of x is going to be equals x is equals to minus 2 will give you 0, going to be your equation number 1, and p of x is equals to 1 over 3 will also give you the value as 0, because this is also the factor of the given polynomial. So without wasting time, let's quickly substitute x is equals to minus 2 in the polynomial p of x. We are going to get 3 times minus 2 exponent 3 plus 17 minus 2 with the power 2 plus a times minus 2 plus b. This is our polynomial p of x is equals to minus 2. Solving it further, we need to put it equals to 0. So solving it further, what I'm going to do is I will solve. This is going to give me minus 8. Minus 8 into 3 will give you minus 24, plus this is going to be 7. 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 17 is 68, minus 2a plus b equals 0. Arranging the terms so that we can get an effective equation. So I will get minus 2a plus b, and then plus 68 minus 24. So I will get 4 and 4. So this is plus 44 equals to 0. This is our equation number, let's say 3, because 1 and 2 is already used. So this is our equation number 3. Similarly, I will say when I put probability x is equals to 1 by 3 in p of x, it is going to give me the value 0. So I will substitute x is equals to 1 by 3. I will get 1 over 3 with exponent 3 plus 17 times 1 over 3 square plus a times 1 over 3 plus b equals to 0. This is your equation number 4th after calculation. So we will solve it further, and we will get 3 times 1 over 3 square gives you 1 over 27, plus this is going to be 17 over 9 plus a over 3, and then finally b, put it equals to 0. We can see that 3 and 27 are cancelling each other, so basically we are left with 1 upon 9 in the first part. After arranging, I will get 9 as a LCM. So my equation for the given question is going to appear like 3a plus 9b, and then plus 17 plus 1 gives you 18 equals to 0. So this is our equation number, this was our equation number 4. So I have rewritten my equation number 4, and just below it I am writing equation number 3. So this is minus 2 times a plus b plus 44 gives you 0. This is your equation number 3. Now we can use our calculators to find out the answers by using linear equation in two variable concept. So by using calculator we can get, I will mention it using calculator. So by using calculator we can easily calculate that a is giving answer as 18 and the answer for value of b is minus 8. So this is the final answer for the given question after using factor theorem concept. Yes, so now let's quickly move on to next question of this particular video. This is a question number 16. This question says that p of x is having two unknowns, that is your unknown a and unknown b. If it says that if p of x is divided by x minus 1, it leaves remainder 3. And when the same polynomial is divided by 3x plus 2, your remainder is going to be minus 2. So two informations are given to us so that we can make two equations quickly. Okay, so let's solve this particular question. This is our question number 16 in continuation with video number 1 and 2. So if you have not watched video number 1 and 2, go through with them first so that you can understand these concepts easily. Okay, so p of x is a polynomial given to us as 6x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 4. Okay, now according to question, if I divide the complete polynomial by x minus 1, so that is if I put x is equals to 1, my remainder is going to be 3. This gives us equation number 1. And if I put x is equals to minus 2 by 3 in the polynomial, I'm going to get remainder as minus 2. This is your equation number 2. Okay, so first I will put x is equals to 1. My equation is going to be 6 plus a plus b minus 4 equals to 3. That gives you final equation as a plus b plus 2 will move on that side, so it will give you x a plus b is equals to 1. I mentioned this that this is your equation number 3. Similarly, if I put x is equals to minus 2 by 3, my equation will appear like 6 minus 2 by 3 with power 3 plus a times minus 2 by 3 with power 2 plus b times minus 2 by 3 minus 4 gives you minus 2. So we can take LCM, we can open up the brackets. So final equation after solving this is going to be 2a minus 3b equals 17. Let's mark this as equation number 4. Now solving equation 3 and equation 4 using calculator. Okay, so if I use calculator to find out the final answer, my final answer is going to be a is equals to 4 and b is equals to minus 3. So we will say that this is your final answer for the given question. Okay, we have used the concept of remainder theorem to solve this question. Yes, so with this question, we are done with the completion of our Unit 1 Algebra for A-level mathematics. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel so that you can get effective information timely. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Have a good day.